What are the best cooking oils to use for hair care?
Hello there. Today, we're going to talk about something truly amazing, the benefits of using everyday cooking oils for hair care. Yes, you heard it right. Cooking oils that you can find right in your kitchen can work wonders for your hair. They can provide nourishment, enhance shine, and promote hair growth. So let's dive into the world of oils and find out which ones are the best for hair care.
Why use cooking oils for hair care?
Cooking oils contain various vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids that can significantly improve the health of your hair. They can condition and moisturize your hair, protect it from damage, and even stimulate hair growth.
Which cooking oils are best for hair care?
Here are the top 4 cooking oils that can provide incredible benefits for your hair. 1. Coconut oil. Known for its moisturizing and conditioning properties, coconut oil is rich in fatty acids and vitamins that can nourish your hair and scalp. It can penetrate the hair shaft, improving its strength and reducing protein loss. 2. Olive oil. Olive oil, particularly the extra virgin variety, is packed with antioxidants and vitamins A and E, which can protect your hair from damage. It can also deeply moisturize your hair, leaving it soft and shiny. 3. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is loaded with proteins, healthy fats, and vitamins A, D, E, and B6. These nutrients can deeply penetrate the hair shaft, providing intense hydration and promoting hair growth. 4. Castor oil. Castor oil has powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's high in vitamin E, proteins, minerals, and omega-6 and -9 fatty acids. This oil can promote hair growth, reduce dandruff, and protect your hair from damage.
How to use cooking oils for hair care?
To use these oils, gently heat a small amount until it's warm but not too hot. Apply the oil to your hair and scalp, massaging it in for a few minutes. You can then cover your hair with a shower cap and let the oil sit for at least 30 minutes, or overnight for a deeper treatment. Finally, rinse out the oil and shampoo and condition your hair as usual. Remember that everyone's hair is different, so you might need to experiment to find out which oil works best for your hair type. And that's a wrap on the best cooking oils for hair care. The kitchen truly is a treasure trove of health and beauty secrets. We hope that you find these tips useful and that they help you achieve the luscious, healthy locks you've always wanted. Remember, beautiful hair is just a pantry away. Happy oiling!